Hello friends on YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this filter, cabin air filter for a Acura RDX 2007. Okay, so I have this car here, and what you need to do is it's located here under the glove box. So you open the glove box, you open it, and then right here you need to push it here. So okay, it's right there, and it's right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one right here. Right here it has a clip right here and right here. So I need both hands to do it, so I'm gonna do it, okay? I don't know if you can see it, but okay. I just pull it out. See, it's really dirty. And sometimes your car starts smelling when you turn on the air. So it's really easy, just remove it. And then put the other one. Make sure the letters are right. See? And that's it. And just make sure these two clips click when you put it back. So, you see? And then push it. That's it. Put the glove box back. That's it. Okay. And also it's coming with instructions, but I already know how to do it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Check my other videos, please.